Hello viewers, today I would like to share how to create a CashApp business account. Before that, I share our Telegram channel. Here I sell various types of product and service. If you want any service, you can contact with me. My contact, WhatsApp number and Telegram account on description box. Feel free to contact with me. CashApp for Business is designed to help small business owners and entrepreneurs sell their goods and services and manage their business more easily. CashApp business account create full process. Select create a business account. Create a business account again. Select individual or sole proprietor. Here write down your business name. Select business category. Write down a cash tag as you wish. Anything we can write here. Okay, done. You can see how I create a business account. For more information, you can contact me in Telegram or WhatsApp. In business account, CashApp will automatically deduct a 2.75% processing fee on each payment you receive to your CashApp for business account. Thank you for being with me.